Hi, my name is Rajiv. I am TESOL certified English trainer or teacher, and this is my certificate accredited by ETQC, Education and Training Qualification Council, from World TESOL Academy. And, English is Easy is my website, that is www.englishiseasy.apg.com. This is part third of vocabulary building video. So the next word root is cardio or cardi, which means heart, and the first word based on this word root cardi or cardio is cardiac, which means related to the heart. Here cardi means heart and cardiac means anything which is related to the heart. The next word is cardiogenic. Here cardi means heart and genic means and disease which is related to the heart or resulting from heart disease is cardiogenic. The next word is cardiologist. Here cardio means heart and logist is the word or the suffix which is used about the profession. So any doctor who is related to the heart is the cardiologist. The next word is cardiopathy. Here cardio means heart and pathy means any disease. When you see pathy in any English word anywhere, whether in the beginning or in the middle or at the end of the word, then pathy will mean disease. So cardiopathy will mean a disease of the heart or heart disease. The next word root is chron or chrono, which means time. And the first word based on this word root chron or chrono is chronic. So here chron is time and chronic means anything which lasts for a longer time. So chronic means lasting for a long time. The next word is chronological. Here again chrono means time and logical, you might have already known this. Logical means anything which is properly arranged. So anything which is properly arranged according to the time is known as chronological. So arranging of the events, anything which here events, so arranging events in time order is known as chronological. The next word is synchronized. So here syn means at the same time and chron means time. So synchronized means anything which happens at the same time is known as synchronized. The next word root is side or size, which means cut or kill. The first word based on this word root side or size is homicide. Homicide, and here this homi is meaning human and side means kill. So homicide means killing of human being by another human being is known as homicide, which means murder. And the next word is matricide. Here matri means mother and side means killing. So killing of the mother is known as matricide. The murder of mother is known as matricide. The next word is patricide. So here patri means father and side means killing. So killing of the father is known as patricide. The next word is incisor. So here as this size means CISE, size means cut. So here this CIS is included in this word incisor, which means that a sharp tooth for cutting food. There are four types of teeth in human being: incisor, canine, premolar, molar. So incisor is a type of teeth in human being. The next word is insecticide. So here side or side means killing, and insecti, here insecti, if you just look into carefully, then it will have this insect in this word, insecticide. So killing of insects is known as insecticide. So a chemical used to kill insects is known as insecticide. The next word root is circum, which means around or about. And the first word based on the word root circum is circumlocution. So circum means around and locution means walking or moving. So it is an indirect way of expressing something, or an indirect way of walking around or talking around. So circumlocution means to tell something, not the exact, but the way around or anything around of that. Circumlocution, it's asked in the one word substitution, very important. Circumlocution, when it comes about the government exam, circumlocution. The next word is circumnavigate. Here circum means around and navigate, this word is a verb navigate, which means to walk or to travel in water bodies like sea, river or ocean. So navigate means, or and this is synonymous with the word sail. So circumnavigate means to sail around in the water bodies. The next word is circumscribe. So here circum means around and scribe means draw. So it means to draw around. The next word is circumspect. Here circum means around and spect, there is a word inspect, and you might know the meaning of inspect means to observe. So it means that to observe around, it means, you can see here it's written looking around. So circumspect means to look around or to observe around. The next word is, word root is cogn or cogni, which means know. And the first word based on the word root cogn or cogni is cognition. So here cogn means know, and ishan, if you know the word in science, is means combustion, which means that burning. So anything or any English word which ends with tion, so it means the process. So here cogn means know, and tion son means process. So it means the process of knowing is known as cognition. The process of acquiring knowledge or knowing is known as cognition. It's very easy to understand. Now the next word is incognito. Now here in means opposite or without, and cognito means knowing. So it's an action being without knowing. So incognito means disguised. Disguised means without knowing or being disappeared. So disguised, so no one knows you. So it's an action to do without knowing anyone. So incognito. The next word is recognize. So here cogni means know, and re means to do the things that know others. So recognize is a verb which means to discover that other know. The next word root is corp or corpo, which means body. And the first word based on The root word corp or corpo is corporation. You might have heard this word corporation about the company. So here corp means body, and this word body is also used with the group of persons. So corp means body, and ration, as I have just told you, TIUN is related to the process or any body or a group of person. So corporation is a company recognized by law as a single body, and it's a group of person in the corporation, as the company is established by the group of persons. The next word is corpse. So corpse is the body of human being. So corpse means a dead body. The next word is corporal. Here corp means body and ral means related to. So corporal means pertaining to the body or is related to the body. The next word root is crade, which means believe. It's a verb which means believe, and the first word based on this word root crade is credence. It's a noun. So here crade means believe, and ence is the suffix which is added to make the word noun. So this is the belief that something is true or valid. The next word is credulous. It's an adjective. Here cred means believe, and ulous makes it an adjective. So any person who can be easily made belief of anything is known as credulous, and that person is also known as gullible or gullible. The next word is incredible. Here cred means believe, and in is the opposite of this cred. So anything which cannot be believed is known as incredible, which means unbelievable. And you might have heard this group of two words, incredible India, on the television or watched it. The next word root is crus or crook, which means cross. So the first word based on this word root crook is crucial. Here crus means cross, and el means characteristic. So it's a characteristic or having the form of a cross like shape is known as crucial. The next word is crucifix. It's a noun, crucifix. Here cruce means cross, so it's itself a Christian emblem cross. You might have seen this cross on which the Jesus Christ was tied up. Crucifix like that. This appears like that cross in Christian religion. The next word is excruciating. So here cruce means cross. So anything which crosses the limit of the pain or anguish is known as excruciating. So it is so intense as to cause great pain or anguish is known as excruciating. The next word is crypto. The next word root is crypto, which means hidden or secret. So anything which is hidden or secret will have this word root crypto. So this first word based on this first word root crypto is cryptic. It's an adjective. It means that is something hidden or having hidden meaning, cryptic. The next word is cryptography. Cryptography is the science of secret codes, means writing the secret codes in the science is that science is known as cryptography, and it's a subject which is studied in the computer science because I have studied cryptography. The next word is encrypt. So here in is used to make the word verb from an adjective. So encrypt, here crypt means hidden or secret, in means to write the code in C, to write something or any, to write any message into secret code is known as encrypt. So encoding of message into secret code is known as encrypt. The next word is demo or dem. This is very important. Dem means people, and the first word based on the word root dem is dem or demo is democracy. So here demo means people and crazy means government. So the government by the people is known as democracy, or the government of the people. So democracy is government by the people and government of the people and government for the people. So democracy is, this is very important because in India the government is democratic government. Democratic is an adjective. So the next word is demographic. Demo means people and graphic means study or data related to that. So demographic means the study of the people. So demographic dividend, like census you might have heard, which comes every 10 year in India. In 2011 it was taken, and in 2021 it will be taken. So the next word is epidemic. So here dem is people and epid is a disease which spreads in a region. So spreading among people in a region, any disease is known as epidemic. So there is a word which is more intense with this word epidemic, that is pandemic. So pandemic, again this dem related to the people. So this is disease which spreads worldwide. So currently COVID-19 is spreading worldwide, that is why it's called COVID-19 pandemic. So this is the end of part 3rd vocabulary building video. Thanks for watching.